Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on JASMY. Wanted to do a full update. Wanted to give you my thoughts. Also wanted to respond real quick because someone in the comments said that I'm always negative on JASMY. All right, and I guess if you just watch my last couple of videos, that's true. All right, the last couple of videos I've been very bearish on JASMY. I think with good reason, and just in general, it's not that I don't like JASMY. It's just that if I look at the numbers right now, I think it's overvalued. I think it's more likely, especially if you look at things like the funding rate heat map, which did not load the last time I checked it, so it's probably not going to load right now either. But if you look at the funding rates, what you'll see, if you go to CoinGlass and look at the funding rates, because we cannot see it, what you'll see is that the market is getting very over leveraged. All right, and I know for a fact, and you can see that here as well, that JASMY, with all that bullish momentum we had, is very over leveraged. So yes, I'm negative right now, but if I look at JASMY, I just see the open interest dropping down massively right here, while the price is still at the same levels. Futures positions are being dumped. Spot positions are mostly being dumped as well since the 24th and the 25th of December. I just want to warn you, all right? And I've been super bullish in the past on JASMY as well when it looked like it was going to break out. At this moment, though, I feel like it's better to prepare for bearish momentum, though, and that's why I'm negative. But like I said, I just tell you what I see, all right? And sometimes what I see is correct, sometimes it isn't. And I have to say, to speak something positive about JASMY as well, I have to say, I mean, the longer it stays at these levels, the more likely it becomes that we'll actually get some sort of a big bullish breakout above 1.75 cents. And that we rally up to 2.1 cents. That is a possibility. It for sure is. And like I said, the longer we stay on top of here, the more likely that becomes. However, if you look at the open interest right here, it has dropped down quite a lot, but it's still up like 70-60% from where we were the 19th of February, which is only a little bit over a week ago. So there's still a lot of leverage around JASMY. Here you can see the funding rates, super over leveraged. If we look at the funding rates for JASMY specifically, I'm not sure if that's going to load. I mean, the site in general is not working with me right now. Probably isn't, but for JASMY, I assume they're quite high as well. So I still think it's most likely that we'll get some sort of a bearish breakout again right here. Now, if you look at the levels JASMY is respecting right now, I would say the main support level is somewhere between 1.45 and 1.5 cents, given the fact that we're losing momentum. Given the fact that the market circumstances are great right now, JASMY is not really responding, and something like this is going to result in some sort of a big spike down. Those factors lead me to believe that I still think it's most likely that we'll drop down. Where, by the way, if you look at this, and again, if it's not going to load, it's not great. But let me look up the site again. Maybe it loads better then. No, it doesn't. But what you should know is that there is also a lot of liquidity down there. All right, so there's a bit of a magnet to that level, and from there, who knows? JASMY is a coin that always does rally, so it's always the question when it will rally again, and not if. So from that level, maybe we could actually start some sort of a consolidation from which we could break out. But for now, I still think it's most likely we'll drop down. I'm sorry, I don't want to be negative, but looking at all the factors, that seems most likely. If for some reason we get some sort of a breakout above 1.65 cents and the open interest, for example, also starts to increase again, then there are possibilities. That's also what you should know, but that's not the case right now. So if that happens, I'll be the first to tell you, but for now, this is what I think is most likely. All right, so thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.